Well, ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni Great Olympics game, no warnings akesiye mienu aba to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, especially the players no over the game. Warning no baako free the supporters end, which is the circles, and about also free the technical head, which is Coach Prosper Ogumnati Ankasa. Warning Kotoko players about this particular important game a ebeko so kwasiada Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex hono na warning no so the other screen so no Kotoko eda 9 Hasufuka beda 11th warning kese pa ena ayekwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko because when him say Kotoko the Great Olympics no in history ye bia nim say Kotoko any Great Olympics good relationship ayonkofa enti amanfo hu ni say Kotoko any Great Olympics there say Great Olympics say wakoda 16 na ohia winner anase ohia points a Kotoko beboa no eno ne atetesem no but warning no akọ esini pise master saa neoma no Kotoko unya top 4 no ma obewura enti emane nkrosu obi aman say oko play game ni soft for Great Olympics to get the points to survive. Yes, and now Accra House of Folk for no share. Accra House of Folk are better 41. When you 41 points are other 11th. See 2 points difference between one Kotoko. Into Kotoko, Oko fan say Great Olympics. They only know why you uncle Oko play the softer. And no, a very serious thing over to you. Into supporters front no cycles no issue warning and Kotoko coach any players no so a meeting over this game no omonko born all out no omunya the maximum win na emfa Kotoko enko 46 points na kakra Kotoko cry ward obetimi anya 50 points at the end of the season no aboura top 4 no